Cameco Corp, one of the biggest uranium producers in the world, saw a strong price rise on the New York Stock Exchange just last week, and in this video we'll take a look at why it jumped. But first, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay across the latest videos from Kalkine. Now, in the past week, the Canadian headquartered Cameco said that it was exploring a potential partnership opportunity with Terrestrial Energy. The potential deal would be to deploy the nuclear power plant developers' integrated molten salt reactor Generation 4 facilities, amongst other things. On October 21, Cameco Corp also published its 2020 Environmental, Social and Governance Report, which detailed the implementation of its ESG principles and practices, its strategy, performance and more. So let's take a closer look at Cameco Corp's stock performance. Stocks of Cameco Corp shot up by nearly 157% in the span of 1 year and by more than 61% in the past 6 months. This year, the uranium stock has catapulted by almost 91%. In October alone, Cameco Corp stock has recorded a growth of over 18%, while its 3-month growth is nearly 50%. It's also provided a dividend of 8 cents per share, which was last paid on December 15, 2020, and is set to be provided around the same time this year. A very Merry Christmas indeed. In terms of its latest financial results, Cameco's second quarter ending on June 30, 2021, noted a revenue fall-off of 32% year over year. It also posted a net loss of 37 million Canadian loonies in the second quarter of 2021, which, however, had improved by 30% year over year from that of a $53 million loss in the second quarter of 2020. As of now, Cameco is expected to release its financial results for the third quarter of 2021 on October 29 this year. So to sum it all up, after experiencing a lull, uranium stocks sprang back into action in October following Sprott Physical Uranium Trust's announcement of 2 bulk purchases of uranium. This development, however, wasn't the only one that fueled a boost in uranium stocks. Reports about France and Japan mulling over building nuclear reactors is likely to have coaxed uranium stocks to rise further as well. And of course, Australia's updated deal with the UK and US for a fleet of nuclear submarines has also spurred the space. So with all that's going on, uranium stocks like Cameco could be ones to keep an eye on moving forward. If you enjoyed the information contained in this video, then please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and of course don't forget to press the bell icon to stay across the latest videos from Kalkine. For more information, just head across to the website, kalkinemedia.com. I'm James Preston, reporting for Kalkine.